This is an infrared heater bar from KIASA. Infrared heat is extremely targeted. It heats up you and objects directly, unlike convection heaters and radiators. Now with this specific infrared bar comes in different sizes with different heat power outputs. Inside the box you will get an instruction manual explaining the installation process and further more detail on the product. You'll get a remote control. Pull the tag to activate the battery. When the heater is switched on, you may see some smoke from the grill. Not to worry, it's the fresh coating from the production that's burning off. This will gradually go away in a few minutes. Also inside the box you will get 4 brackets, 2 that get screwed on the wall and the other 2 on the back of the bar, which can be adjusted at any length. The power lead does come with a standard UK plug, however I had this fuse burst. Once you switch on from the mains, it will automatically switch on the Wi-Fi connectivity. It will also show the room temperature. Switch on from the remote or your smartphone. You have 2 levels of heat which you can adjust. Press the set button to select your desired temperature. You can also set a timer on it too. Very simple and easy to use. Now on the smartphone, download the Smart Life app and link it up with the infrared bar. More instructions are in the manual. This will enable you to use the basic functions on the infrared bar. So when you're about to head back home, you can switch on the heating from your smartphone to get your rooms nicely warmed up. The infrared heat is just like the sun rays hitting you with that warm feeling. There are many health benefits on infrared heat, such as improving blood circulation. Their long-lasting heat allows them to keep spaces warm using less energy. This is in fact the key to why their running costs are so low. No maintenance or service is required. Has an IP44 rating that can be installed outdoor seating areas too. So guys, if you're looking for a heater that ticks all your boxes, then invest in the KIASA infrared heating bar. Take care guys, peace.